the pieces. Here I go. I'm pretty close there. I mean, it's maybe the marker. Okay, cool. Then I'm going to stitch this together, and that'll come over here. I didn't put enough tape. When I don't put enough tape, it doesn't go good. And all of you, don't be cheap on the tape, because it just mucks up your stuff. So that'll be stitched as a dart. That'll be stitched as a dart. This one comes over here. And then what? It goes this way. And so literally I can see that I have that little bit there extra. And what should I do about that? Do I need to do anything there? Or can I use this as ease? Can I ease in 1/4 of an inch? Have you ever said in a sleeve? We can ease in up to 1.5 inches on certain fabrics, not in muslin. But no, I don't have to address this really, because I can just leave it as ease. Okay? Because it's a curved shape, and this shape is curved, and that one is curved, and when I put curves together, it's nice to have a little bit of extra. So I would not concern myself with that. Okay? So what's happening on the lower half of my dress? Is it fitted? Well, some of them, oh, no, that one's got one. They all have one. I would never have 2 below, but then I look in here, I think they had this one with 2. So you decide. My point now, my concern is that in order for me to sew these, I must have drill holes. Oh boy, now what happens? Oh, but here, I need drill holes here, because I'm going like this, and I'm going like this. It's not my wedge shape anymore. I can't start here. I need both. So in fact, I'm going to do that, because I got about 1/2 inch on that side and about 1/2 inch on that side. If we use our rule, 1/2 inch within, right? And that will draw my attention to the fact that this is a shaped dart. Okay? Say okay.
Okay.
Till you get home and you start crying. Okay, let's add a little seam allowance. Another thing we didn't do was frame up my dress. I like to apply a length, and we didn't do that. We didn't finish up the bottom. Yep.
If you wanted to do it flare, do you have to separate this piece here?
Good question. Let's have a look at that. See what they got here. I don't think, see, buggers, they took it out. It used to be. I gotta show you. I'll show you. Let's just frame it up, please.
Okay.
Because I've got my here going on here. I'll soften this up. Decide on the length, people. It's not the tennis dress. They're doing a movie about that. Did you see Billie Jean and all those things? Okay, so what's my notches here? Let's just pick one. All we need is one, this one, with this one. That's enough. Okay. And actually I need both to stitch it. So those are my notches. So this will meet this will meet that. We're good. Okie dokie? Alrighty. Great. What's the length?
20.
I know, I was thinking from last week.
Come on, you guys are so boring. Come on, give me something good. Not the tennis dress, I don't know. Let's make it something that it's obviously going to be a whole number. There are all kinds of things flying
20?
around. I don't know. 20, because then you just do 10. And I'm measuring from the waist down. Where am I going? What do you want to do, people? Talk to me. Somebody make an
20.
exact 20?
20's good.
20's good?
Yeah.
Sure. And do I ever measure like this?
Nope.
I measure like this. And then I use the edge. Minor details. Sure, when they're paying you by the hour to do this stuff, You better have some tricks up your sleeve. Otherwise, you're not gonna make any money. You'll be doing this for 100 hours. And you'll be broke. Nobody wants to pay you for 100 hours of pattern making. Let's square it out, and we need to apply that. So I should have applied that like I usually do before I separate the pieces. So let's make a note here. And so are we gonna add flare or not? I think we should, because it shows you how to. Yeah. And you can take it off if you don't like it. So we're gonna have a little bit of flare down here. So what's my hem allowance for a dress with a little bit of flare?
1 inch. 1 inch.
1 inch.
1 inch is fair. We don't know what the fabric is, and so when the fabrics change, we might have to change that, but I think 1 inch is fair, given that we don't know. Well, we kind of know, but anyway. 1 inch down there, and let's clean it up. I'll have to backtrack on the back piece, but anyway, it's okay. Alrighty, so how am I going to get the flare?
Wash and spread.
I give it a go. I'm gonna stop. So I said if I try to fold this, it has to go like this, and then it has to go like this. Is that really working?